Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to link columns in Monday.com. So if you're working on Monday.com and if you need to link columns, follow this video and you'll be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com, and when you're logged into your account, you'll be redirected to this home page. And when you're here at this home page, what do you need to do? You can open a board that you're working on. Now you can see these are the items in the board. Let me add some more. Okay, now I have added a few things, and I'm going to add some properties to it. Okay, so we've already created a mirror board, but I'm going to delete it here, and I'm going to create a new mirror board. So for that, what do you need to do? You need to go here. So you can either use dependencies or connect board. It's totally up to you. I'm going to use this. And you can use any board that you're working on. But if you need to link columns, if you don't need to mirror boards, and if you need to just link the columns, you need to select the same board that you're working on. And yes, that's it. Connect boards, create a mirror column. So this is how it works. You need to go here and select due date. Yep. And that's it. That's how you do it. Oh, sorry. Let me just go back. So we have, this is annoying. We have mirrored it into due date. So I'm going to select 20 for it and 21 for it and 18 for it. All right. So this is how we do it. In order to mirror columns, what do we need to do? Let me just delete this one. Yeah, it's much more easier now. So now how can we mirror columns? We're going to go here and then we're going to add this. Here you go. It just mirrored the column right here uh, via the due date, March 21, March 21. And let me just add another one here. Oops. Yeah, so let me add another one. All right. Let's add this one then. Here you go. We added this one and the due date mirrored right here, 20th March, 20th March, 21st and 21st. This is how you link or mirror columns on Monday.com. So I hope this video was informative. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you with more.